Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get Agoda cashback rewards. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to agoda.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you do not know how to do this, if you do not have an account, you can always go and register to Agoda. But if you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Agoda videos, where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we have in front of us. So we have a lot of different options. We have hotels and homes, where you can go and check all the hotels and homes that you can choose from. We have transport, where we have flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. We have coupons and deals, where you can go click on and see which coupons and deals there are for you. We also have the apartments, where you can go and check out which apartments you can choose from. Also, in the top right corner, we have list your place, where you can go and list your place on Agoda if you want. You also have the language changer, where you can change the language to the one that you prefer. And also you can change the currency to the one that you actually prefer. You also have the shopping cart, where you can have all of your things stored in one place that you want to choose from, and you put in the shopping cart. You also have in the top right corner the bookings, property messages. You have Agoda Cash, which I have 0 at the moment. Cashback rewards, Agoda VIP. I have VIP bronze at the moment. Saved properties list, reviews, points max, profile, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how you can get cashback rewards on Agoda. I put a text here so it's much easier for you to read it and see what you have to do. So you'll earn Agoda Cash simply by booking Agoda Cash eligible listings on agoda.com. Eligible listings include budget and luxury hotels, guest houses, villas, beds and breakfasts, resorts, hotels, homes, apartment, and others unique alternative accommodation types. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.